Hey guys, it's Cody with another Tech Tip Tuesday. Now, this week, my learner came to me and said that their science class is having a class party. Now, her teacher, Miss Robinson, asked all of the students to make a table of their desired snacks and the price of each snack. But there's one problem. How do I make a table with a screen reader in Google Docs? Well, it's very easy. I'm going to show you right here on Tech Tip Tuesday. So I'm in a blank Google Doc here, and I want to start out by making a table with 5 rows, one for each snack, and 2 columns, one for the snack name and the snack price. Now first, I want to insert this table. We're going to do that with the menus, but which menu should I use to insert a table? If you said the insert menu, you're correct. How do we get up there? Alt plus I. Let me try it.
Insert submenu 4 of 9.
Awesome. Now I'm going to press my down arrow key until I hear table.
Image I filled right, table T filled right pointing pointer submenu.
There it is. I'm going to press enter.
Table templates semicolon fill.
Now a submenu just opened up, and the first option on this submenu is table templates. We don't want that, so we're just going to press down arrow key to pass table templates.
Menu bar.
So now comes the important part. We want to go down for as many rows as we want in our table, and we want to go over to the right for as many columns as we need in our table. Remember, down the rows, over the columns. So let's think, how many rows and columns do we need? Well, we said 5 rows and 2 columns, right? Now remember, this menu already starts us out with 1 row and 1 column. So, keeping that in mind, we're going to count down 5 rows, right? We already have 1, so ready? 2,
1 by
3,
1 by
4,
1 by
5.
1 by 5.
There's 5 rows. Now let's do columns. Remember, we already have 1 column already set. We're going to move over to the right to get to 2 columns. Let's do it.
2 by 5.
2. There's 5 rows and 2 columns. Now once I have my rows and columns set, I'm just going to press enter.
Document 2 by 5 table inserted. Document content edit multi-line table with 5 rows and 2 columns, row 1 column 1.
And that table pops into my document. Now all my learner needs to do is use their table navigation commands to put data into this table. Now if you missed that video, we'll put the link in the description. Now quick review. All you need to do to create a table in Google Docs is remember Alt and I to get to insert menu, and then down for the number of rows and over to the right for the number of columns. Thanks for watching this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. We'll see you next week.